In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create the Facebook logo using Adobe Illustrator, and we'll do it all in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Adobe Illustrator on your computer. As you start up the program, you'll be greeted with a variety of options. But for this project, a simple new document on the artboard will suffice. Make sure you're comfortable with the dimensions which best fit your needs. But don't worry too much. We're focusing more on the design rather than the canvas size. Now that you have Illustrator open, it's time to draw a circle on your artboard. This will form the background of our Facebook logo. You can either use the ellipse tool or simply press L on your keyboard for quick access. Click and drag on your artboard while holding down the Shift key to ensure your circle is perfectly round. If you're satisfied with its size, go ahead and place it centrally within your workspace for convenience. The next step involves coloring your circle. With your circle selected, navigate over to the Fill option in the toolbar, which controls the color of the shape you've drawn. We are aiming to create the emblematic Facebook blue, so select a shade of blue that matches it. You'll want something vibrant, but not overly bright. The precise color code you might be looking for is number 4267B2, should you wish to use it for accurate results. With our circle colored, let's move on to crafting the iconic lowercase f that defines the Facebook logo. Head on over to the toolbar again and find the Type tool. This is where typography becomes central to our design. Click anywhere on your artboard within the circle to start typing. Go ahead and type the letter F, ensuring that it's in lowercase. You'll quickly notice that we need to increase the size of our letter to make a bold statement. Adjust the font size to 400 points. This should make the letter quite noticeable on your blue circle. Double-check that your letter is legible and centrally placed. Next, change the font color to white. This step is crucial because it provides that classic contrast we associate with the Facebook logo. You can do this by selecting the F and going back to the Fill Color option, choosing a bright white. Lastly, you'll need to maneuver the letter into position. Click and drag the letter over to place it right in the middle of your blue circle. You might want to resize it slightly if it looks disproportionate, or adjust its placement to achieve that balanced look. And there you have it, a nifty recreation of the Facebook logo, all done within Adobe Illustrator. This exercise not only gives you a practical understanding of the tools within Illustrator, but also a creative way to engage with iconic designs. Keep experimenting with different colors and fonts to see how small tweaks can change the overall design.